Breaking news coming in. Robert Vadra is protesting against hike in the fuel price. He's riding a cycle as a mark of protest. However, there is a slight relief for the common man as petrol diesel prices remain unchanged for the second day in a row. That's the latest coming in. Robert Vadra riding this particular cycle, as you can see, to mark this protest. This is his fuel protest, and you already know the fuel prices are rising. Questions are rising on the rising fuel prices, and why is it that the government cannot cut down the taxation on fuel? Maushami Singh is now joining us live. Maushami, I believe that you also have Robert Vadra with you. He's raised an objection to the rising fuel prices. I'm throwing straight across to you to get us all the politicking that is going on the back of the rises in the fuel price, which is pinching the Aam Aadmi's pocket. Maushami, can you hear me? Let's try to get her back on in just about a bit. But politics over petrol and diesel prices right there. This is Vadra, Robert Vadra, cycling away in Delhi, marking a protest on the rising fuel prices, petrol and diesel. Questions have been asked time and again about why is it that the government cannot cut down the taxes on fuel. We're getting a report being filed by my colleague Maushami Singh. Listen in.
Politics in full swing as far as the spiraling fuel prices are concerned. There you can see the Khas Aadmi of the Congress party, in fact, junking his Range Rover for this bike. He's heading to office. Mr. Vadra is known for his very tight schedule. He's a stickler for the schedule, and here he is heading to office. It will take almost 40 minutes to half an hour to reach Sukhdev Vihar, which is about 8 kilometers from his residence. So there, his Range Rover behind, his escorts behind Robert Vadra along with his office colleagues heading to Sukhdev Vihar, and he says that this is in protest to stand with the Aam Aadmi as the fuel prices cross a century. Getting you these pictures from Ground Zero, this is Maushami Singh with video journalist Waqar for India Today.
Across to Maushami Singh, who is being joined by Robert Vadra now. Over to you, Maushami.
So our VJ Waqar is giving you those shots of Robert Vadra here, right here, and we're also on a bicycle heading to his office. A statement that Robert Vadra is trying to make clearly to say that he is standing with the Aam Aadmi. Waqar will show you how Robert Vadra's entire cavalcade, in fact, is rallying behind him even as he heads to office. Mr. Vadra, we're on live. Mr. Vadra, we're on live. We're on live, sir. 1 second, we're on live. 1 second. Mr. Vadra, how would you respond? Can we just go a little ahead? We'll just cycle through, and I'll take you through this entire route that Mr. Vadra is really taking. 1 second, I have a live, sir. Can you just... 1 second, 1 second. So here we cycle through along with him to the Sukhdev Vihar office, and we'll try and get a sense from Mr. Vadra. Mr. Vadra, how do you respond to the fact that you're heading on a bike while the entire cavalcade of yours is rallying behind? And you know, many of the BJP might say that this is, in fact, sheer optics.
They will always see wrong in whatever we do for the common people and for the farmers and for when we come out. I'm on my cycle. If I'm going to speak for the people of India and the people who are on scooters and motorcycles, and they are now on cycles, I will only be able to speak about them if I ride and I understand what it takes for me to get from my office to from my residence to my office, and that's when I can speak for them. Otherwise, there is no point.
But at the same time, there's a little hurdle here, we'll just take that. At the same time, if you say that your Land Cruiser is cruising behind you and you're wearing a suit, a very expensive bike, the BJP will say that it is mere gimmick. Oh. Sorry. Your brakes are really tight. Sorry. So the BJP will say that this is sheer gimmick, Mr. Vadra.
Yeah, come. Let the BJP or anyone say whatever. The common man will not say it. The common man will say, I'm so glad that he's with us on a cycle. And yes, there's no pretense. I dress to office like this every day. So why should I be in any other kind of dress to just please everybody? And if I have a car, it's standing behind. It's an air-conditioned car. I'm not in it. I'm on a cycle. It's hot. I'm getting to office. I'm getting to know what the common man is feeling. When I saw everybody was trying to get home in the coronavirus time, I had to come out and stand and with them and understand and feed them and do whatever I can. But I could only do it because I came out on the road. Unless...
Gandhi has written a letter to the Prime Minister saying that BJP government is profiteering from the miseries of the common man, the middle class.
Yes, 100%. My family will always stand for the common man, for the wrongdoings of this government, and we will do whatever we can to try and get the common man heard and do good for them. And I will say I'm so glad, I appreciate that she's written a letter to, she's, above anything, and she just wrote a letter to the Prime Minister saying, please understand the common man and reduce and roll back the prices, bring the taxes down, and do whatever you can for the common man. And already we are seeing the farmers' agitation is going on, which they are suffering.
So here, India Today trying to bring out the best from what's happening on the ground. Mr. Vadra cycling to office. Even we applied a little brakes and had a hurdle and literally fell down. But that's the side story. The main story really being that politics is in full swing with the Khas Admi of the Congress party on the road from a four-wheeler to a two-wheeler trying to press a point.
Fell down and you got back up again, just like the fuel prices are going up. Thank you so much, Maushami, for getting us those live visuals right there. We'll continue tracking the fuel price hike story in much detail on your screens right now. Robert Vadra cycling away to mark a protest against the rising fuel prices.
Slow.